Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can import your character in Once Human. In order to do so, here we are in Once Human, and what you're going to need to do is once you get far enough in the game, you should be able to craft a mirror. And this is how you're going to import your character. So once you've crafted the mirror, then you can reforge your character. And what you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see this icon here. And if you hover over it, it says import data. So we can go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can see that you can click on this in order to open up your browser and find the file that you wish to import, or you can upload a picture with a QR code. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.